Hey, what's up? Thanks for joining the channel. My name is Terrence. So today I am doing a video review. Basically, this is an unboxing of a 2.5 SSD SATA hard drive USB enclosure device. All right. Basically, what this does is it just allows me to take this enclosure, take a 2.5 SATA drive, put it inside the enclosure, and then actually just use that SATA drive as a external storage device. So if you want to see me unbox this, stay tuned. Let's get into it. All right, so the product brand today is by Sabrent. I've never really heard of that company before, but I actually got this 2.5 SATA drive off Amazon. Basically, everything that I get, I usually get it off Amazon. They have pretty good prices, and the wife, she's kind of cool with it, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not spending too much money. But anyway, got this off Amazon. They sent it almost like overnight, and so it came really, really quick. Yeah, so let's just go ahead and open it up, and we'll see what's in the package. Basically, I plan on getting a what they call a Raspberry Pi device. It's like a little mini computer. I don't know if you guys ever heard of those before, but it's a mini computer, and what you're gonna do with it is you just use it as a mini computer. You know what I'm saying? But those usually come with a little bitty 8 GB SD card, or there's like a micro SD card. I think that's how you say it. Or some come with a 4 GB. But I wanted something that has a lot more storage that I'm going to be able to use with it. I had an extra SATA drive that I'm going to pull out of an old computer, and I'm going to attach that to the actual the actual Pi device, excuse me. So inside the box, they put a cable. This is a USB cable. Let's see what we got. Yep. And then what we got here is the actual enclosure. All right. What else is in there? I think that's about it. That's all they put in there. So here's a look at the enclosure. The reason that I got a clear enclosure is because when I get that Pi 5 device or that Raspberry Pi device, basically, I'm going to put it inside of an actual computer chassis, and I'm going to put it on top of my desk. But if you guys haven't ever seen the Pi 5 chassis or the Pi Iron Man computer chassis, it's actually clear and it has RGB lights on it. So I'm going to sit this on top of it, and those lights are going to be able to reflect on this, and it's just going to look really cool sitting on the desk. But like I say, the video is not about the Pi 5 or the Pi Iron Man chassis. It's about this 2.5 SATA disk drive enclosure. So this is what it looks like. All right, it's pretty simple. It's just a simple design. It's about 2.5 inches. All right. It has a USB on one end, and then basically, I guess, some kind of SATA drive connection on the other side. There you go. Can you see it? Yeah, but basically, I'm gonna go ahead and just unplug it, or I'm gonna unwrap it. You just take this cable and you plug it into the bottom of it, and then you plug the USB in into the other side of your computer. So yeah, that's really it. That's all you get in the box. So it's pretty simple. And let me open it up for you so you can see how it looks when you open it. Let's see. You got to be very careful because this plastic is very, very flimsy. This is me sliding off the case. This is what it looks like. That's the top case right here I got in my hand. And that's what it looks like up close. Can you see that? And you put the drive in there and you just slide it back closed. All right. So I think what I want to do now is I want to show you. I'm going to take apart my computer. I'm going to pull out that SSD drive, or excuse me, I'm going to pull out the SATA drive, and I'm going to put it in here so you can see what it looks like. All right. So stay tuned. All right. So here's the actual computer that I'm going to take that 2.5 SATA drive out. This has a 2.5 SATA drive, and I'm going to take it. Basically, I'm going to take it out of this computer, and I'm going to put it in our 2.5 clear SATA drive enclosure. All right, this computer, it doesn't work anymore. It's busted. So I'm just going to turn this baby over, and I'll take the screws out of here. Take screw here, here. I think there's a screw right there, and then there's one right there. It's pretty simple. I actually have some tools that my wife got me, I think for Christmas, I think, like that. So I'm just going to take these tools, open this bottom up. I'm going to go ahead and take that drive out. So let's get to it. Okay, I appreciate you hanging in with me while I take these screws out. So I got a few of the screws out already, and it's not hard to take these out, but we'll get them out in just a second. So I got about 3 more screws, and then we'll see where the 2.5 SATA drive is. Give me a second. Okay, so I got all the screws out. So let's go ahead and take this bottom off. And where is the 2.5 SATA drive? Do you see it? I'm gonna give you a second if you want to see if you can locate it. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you see it? It's right here. Yeah. So this is the SATA drive that we're gonna put in our clear enclosure that I got from Amazon. And give me a second. Does it have any screws in it? Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, look, it has one screw right here. So I'm gonna take this out. Right, perfect. Let's wiggle that loose. And here it is. So this is the enclosure, or this is the 2.5 SSD SATA drive. Okay, so I got the disk drive out, or I got the 2.5 SATA SSD drive out, and it's 1 terabyte. I took it out of that bracket. It's a solid state drive, so it should be pretty fast. But oh, there's somebody that wants to say hi to you guys. Hey, Tan, look, Tan, look, say hi to the people, man. Say hi to the people. Yeah, this is Tan. He helps me do my computer projects. He helps me do my video reviews sometimes. Well, actually, this is his first video review. But anyway, let's get back to this SSD 2.5 SATA drive. Let's go ahead and put it in the SATA enclosure, which that's what the video is about today. So here's a 2.5 SATA drive, okay? One thing I want to point out is some of these drives, if you take it out of another device, it may have this little bitty cover on it. So there was a little cover on it right here, and I just pulled it off, but it exposes the actual pins right here, okay? Put it in there to where it lines up the pins, right? And it should slide in there. Yeah, look at that. Slides right in there. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna slide it on. All right, so that's it. It's in there. That's it. And you can see how that drive fit in there nice and snug. All right, so man, I was down there on the floor. I broke a little sweat, man. So here is the actual 2.5 SATA drive enclosure. All right, you can see it's inside of the white or the clear case. All right, the plastic is TPU. All right, so it's tough, but I mean, you know, if you get mad and you break it or you throw it down, it's gonna break. So don't throw it down, all right, because it definitely will break. Here's the cable. I'm just gonna plug that into the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. It's not that hard. 5-year-old can probably plug this in. Yeah, and this part right here goes into the end of the computer in the USB port, and so that's it. So yeah, here again, this is a 2.5 SATA drive enclosure. All right, and I know that the drive inside, it says Lexar. It's not a Lexar. Just keep in mind the drive itself inside is a Lexar, but the actual enclosure, which the review is about today, I got that from Amazon. This one, it costs about like $11. It's not expensive at all. I mean, you can save up. That's like lunch money. You know what I'm saying? You can save that up, go buy you one. And like I say, I use my solid state drive. I pulled it out of a like an old computer that didn't work anymore. You know, I couldn't get it working. So I was like, let me salvage some of these parts. So I just put it inside of this drive right here. So yeah, this is a good enclosure. You know, doesn't cost a lot. It's cheap, and it's pretty durable for, you know, for TPU plastic. But yeah, that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like. I do have a few other like review videos of different IT type tech that I have, as far as, you know, doing home labs and things like that. My channel is basically just about, you know, IT, getting into IT, but I do have a part where I like to talk about different IT type products and gadgets and stuff like that. And so here today I decided to do one of my SATA drive and my SATA drive enclosure. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna let you go. Like I say, keep God first and everything be good. See you guys in IT.